Hello kids, let's learn new letter. Letter C. Letter C. 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 But it gives sound K. K. Cake. K. Cake. K. Cow. K. Cow. Cake. Cow. Letter C. Next letter is D. Letter D. 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 Door. D. Door. D. Door. D. Door. Doll. Door. Letter D.